Solving the 3 by 3 matrix by elementary row transformation. Let the matrix be 1 3 1 1 minus 1 0 2 and 1 2 0. I'm taking this matrix. Okay. So starting the problem, 3 1 1 minus 1 0 2 1 2 0. So I'm taking 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 here into A. So step number 1, to make A11 as 1, divided R1 by 3. Divide by that number और कुछ नहीं करना आपको. Divide the row with that number. ठीक है. So my row changes to 1 1 by 3 1 by 3 1 by 3 0 0 A minus 1 0 2 1 2 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That is my step number 1. Step number 2 is what? Row wise चलना है. ठीक है. तुम्हें A21 और A31 को क्या बनाना है? 0 by making use of the first element which you have made it 1 earlier. ठीक है. इसको फिक्स कर देंगे और R2 और R3 पे ऑपरेशन लगाएंगे by using this row 1. So how will you do it? R2 is such that I can apply R2 plus R1 and R3 is such that R3 minus R1. I have to keep R1 fixed and you have to make other 0 by using the elements of R1. So proceeding it, what I get? So first of all, R1 is going to be fixed here like this. ठीक है. अब देखो ऑपरेशन क्या है R2 पे? R2 पे क्या है? R2 प्लस क्या है? R1. So I have to add up. Minus 1 plus 1, that becomes 0. I put it here 0. Next R2 का एलिमेंट ये है 0. तो R1 का क्या है? 1 by 3. So what I get? 1 by 3. Again next step, R2 का 2 plus 1 by 3. This becomes what? 7 by 3. So this is your 7 by 3 here. Next, here R2, 0 plus 1 by 3. That is going to be what? 1 by 3. 0 plus 1, which is going to be 1. I am applying this operation. And 0 plus 0, that is going to be 0. So I have applied to the second row. My second row has been formed now. Moving on to row number 3. 3 पे मुझे ऑपरेशन क्या लगाना है? R3 माइनस R1. R3 का ये एलिमेंट है तो R1 का ये होगा, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग लेना है. तो 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, that becomes 0. So I put it 0 here. 2 minus 1 by 3. ठीक है. तो this becomes what? 5 by 3. 6 minus 1. That becomes what? 5 by 3. 0 minus 1 by 3. So this is your minus 1 by 3 here. Next is R3 is what? 0 minus 1 by 3. So this is minus 1 by 3. 0 minus 0, which is going to be 0. 1 minus 0, that is going to be 1. Okay. So this operation has been, now after applying the operation, the matrix come out to be this. Step number 3. What was step number 3? To make this A22 as 1. You have to make A22 as 1. Just what you have to do is multiply that row जिसके अंदर मुझे चाहिए जैसे R2 को by इट्स रेसिप्रोकल, मतलब जो भी होगा, ठीक है। तो ये 1/3 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होता है 3, तो मैं क्या करूंगी R2 को किससे अप्लाई करूंगी 3i ऑफ R2 लाइक दिस, so I have to multiply by its reciprocal. Since R2 is only involved, R1 and R3 remains the same, that is 1/3 1/3 here, that is 1/3 0 0 here, and 0 5/3 minus 1/3 here, minus 1/3 0 and 1. Multiply the elements of R2 by 3. So you get 0, here you get 1, you get 7 here, you get 1, you get 3 here, and you get 0 here. So what I have said that I have multiplied it by 3. तो जो भी यहाँ पे टर्म होगा उसका रेसिप्रोकल लेना है, उसी रो को उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है, नथिंग एल्स हैज टू बी थॉट. You don't have to give the second thought, you have to do this only. Clear? So moving on, I shall rub the upper part now. So step number, now this has been made 1. Moving on to step number 4. स्टेप नंबर 4 क्या है, मैंने इसको 1 बना दिया, इन दोनों को मुझे क्या बनाना है 0, कॉलम वाइज चलो. दैट इज यू हैव टू मेक 1 2 एंड 3 2 एज 0. ठीक है, इन दोनों को 0 बनाना है, लेकिन इस 1 को यूज करना है, मुझे इस रो को टच नहीं करना है. R2 को यूज करके R1 और R3 के एलिमेंट्स को मैंने 0 करना है. ठीक है, सो ऑपरेशन अब किस पे लगेगी, किस पे बेटा R1 पे. जो भी नंबर यहाँ पे होगा, ये क्या है 1/3, उसको आप दूसरी रो से मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे और माइनस, तो R1 पे लगता है, तो हमेशा R1 पहले ऐसे लिखा जाता है, R1 माइनस क्या होगा 1/3 ऑफ R2. जो भी यहाँ पे एलिमेंट होगा उससे आप दूसरी रो को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे और प्लस और माइनस अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइन करोगे. ठीक है, दूसरा ऑपरेशन R3 पे क्या डिसाइड होगा, ये आपका 5/3 है, तो मतलब मुझे दूसरी रो को 5/3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, और अगर ये प्लस है तो माइनस करना है. दैट इज R3 माइनस 5/3 ऑफ क्या हो गया R2. सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड माई ऑपरेशंस, नाउ आई हैव टू सॉल्व दैट रो, दैट्स इट. नाउ कीपिंग द रो सेकेंड एज कांस्टेंट. ठीक है, so 1 3 0 and here A would be there. So starting with R1, R1 पे ऑपरेशन क्या है 1/3 ऑफ क्या है R2. R1 का एलिमेंट मेरा क्या है 1 माइनस 1/3, उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग R2 क्या है 0, so this becomes 1. So what I get here 1. नेक्स्ट R1 का एलिमेंट है 1/3 माइनस 1/3 into 1, that becomes 0, so this element becomes 0. Next R1 का एलिमेंट है 1/3, तो R2 का ये है, तो R1 माइनस 1/3 into 7, तो 1 minus 7/3, that is minus 6/3, which is going to be what minus 2. So this becomes here minus 2. Next R1 का ये है, तो R2 का ये है बेटा. अब R1 का 1/3 था, 1/3 सब में ही कांस्टेंट रहेगा, ऑपरेशन यही है, और इनटू क्या हो गया 1 है. ठीक है, so this becomes 0, so this element reduces to 0 here. Next would be R1 का एलिमेंट 0 माइनस 1/3 into क्या हो गया 3, so this gives me what minus 1, so this reduces to minus 1. Next 0 minus 1/3 into 0, so this is 0, so this is also 0, so this becomes my row 1. Now moving on to row 3. रो 3 पे मैंने क्या ऑपरेशन लगाया, रो 3 माइनस 5/3 ऑफ R2. ठीक है, रो 3 का एलिमेंट 0 है, तो R2 का भी 0 है, 0 माइनस 5/3 into 0, which is going to be 0 here. Next 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 into 1, that is 0. So it is 0 here. Next would be minus 1 by 3 minus 5 by 3 into क्या हो जाएगा 7. So this gives me minus 1 minus 35 by 3 here. So minus 36 by 3. So this gives me what? Minus 1 minus 12. ठीक है जी. Next step would be with this matrix now. R3 is true and R2 is going to be this. Minus 1 by 3 minus 5 by 3 into क्या हो गया 1. So this becomes minus 6 by 3, that is going to be minus 2 here. Next would be R0 minus 1 by 3 into 3. So this gives me what? Minus 1 here. Next 1 minus 1 by 3 into 0. So this is going to be 1. So I got my row 3 here. ठीक है? Clear? So I'm just rubbing it off because I got matrix now. ठीक है? तो ये आपका आ गया. Step number 5 now. Step number 5 is to make A33 as 1. So divided by reciprocal, R3 would be minus 1 by 12 of R3. ठीक है? So what I get? 1 0 minus 2 0 1 7 0 0 1 here. Next here 0 minus 1 0 1 3 0. I have to divide it now. This becomes 1 by 6 here. This becomes 1 by 12 and this is minus 1 by 12 here and A as it is. Now what I have to do? Step number 6, which is the last step. What you have to do is A, आपको क्या करना है? A1 3, that is first row and third position, and A2 3 you have to make it 0 by making use of this 1. So what I am going to apply? R1 is such that R1 plus 2 times of R3. इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड कर दूंगी तो 0 हो जाएगा. Similarly R2 is such that R2 minus 7 times of R3. So applying the operations, since I have to keep R3 constant, so I am keeping this as constant like this. 1 by 6, 1 by 12, minus 1 by 12 and here A. So apply the operation. So पहले कौन सा लगाएं? R1 plus 2 times of R3. 1 plus 2 into 0. So that becomes 1 here. So 0 0. This becomes, you will get this as, okay. तो अब ये नेक्स्ट क्या आएगा? R1 का एलिमेंट ये है तो R3 का ये लेंगे. ठीक है? तो 0 plus 2 into 1 by 6. So what I get here? 1 by 3. Next would be minus 1 plus 2 into 1 by 12. ठीक है? तो ये 6 minus 1 plus 1 by 6. So this gives me minus 5 by 6. ठीक है? Then 0. What I get? 0 plus 2 into minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 6 here. Okay? So this becomes my row 1. Next operation is R2 minus 7 times of R3. Okay? So when you put, you will get this values automatically. Sorry. ठीक है? ये तो आइडेंटिटी बन जाएगा. अब इस पे लगाना है मुझे. अब R2 का एलिमेंट 1 है और R3 का 1 by 6. So 1 minus 7 into 1 by 6. So this gives me minus 1 by 6 here. ठीक है? Next would be 3 minus 7 into 1 by 12. So this becomes here 36. 36 minus 7 by 12. So this becomes what? 29 by 12 here. Clear? So this becomes 29 by 12. Next would be 0. ये आपका एलिमेंट R2 का हुआ, R3 का ये. तो 0 minus 7 into minus 1 by 12. So this would be 7 by 12. So my A inverse comes out to be 1 by 3 minus 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6, 29 by 12, 7 by 12, 1 by 6, 1 by 12 and minus 1 by 12. So that's my required inverse. it. I'm giving you more questions for the practice.